Back locally, Gayle CC are the St. Mary MF Construction T20 champions after beating Geddestown by 8 wickets in the final played at Eden Park on Sunday. Geddestown, taking first strike, were bowled out for 132, with Jermaine McCarran getting 31, while Dalton Howell and Dwayne Hamilton chipped in with 23 each. Javon Hines claimed 3 wickets for 18 runs, and Milton Mills took 3 for 27. In reply, Gayle got to their target of 133 with a loss of 2 wickets. Anthony Walters was the man doing the damage with the bat with an unbeaten 60. Ian Ellis Jr. supported with 51 for their effort. Gayle took home the winner's trophy and $50,000. Geddestown got $30,000.
Because of 120 ball in 20 overs, so we go in the dressing room and we talk about it. That guess what? We only had 12 balls ahead of us, so we just have to apply ourselves, rotate the strike, and keep the scoreboard ticket.
First up, I felt as if we didn't make enough runs. I felt as if our top order did not give us a good enough total for us to defend in the field, therefore applying pressure on us in the other session of the game.
Mango Valley took a third place honours over Jacks River to go home with $15,000.